Okay, we have a 3-axis Mazak vertical machining center, model Nexus 510C, Roman numeral 2. Machine's new in 2013. You have a Mazak Matrix Nexus control, Cat 40 spindle, Renishaw probing, 30 ATC. We're gonna run it for you. You have 41 inches of X, 20.5 in Z, and 20.5 in the Y. All the axes are quiet. Running the spindle. Going up to 12,000 RPM, which is the max. Going to do a tool change. That's the probe. Do one more tool change. Okay. Thank you for seeing that. We're going to give you the serial number. Again, this machine is 2013. I'm going to show you the high pressure coolant pump. Cooling through. Chip conveyor. Thank you for watching our video.